My name is Braxton Parker. I'm from the great state of Texas, Dallas, Texas. Before I came to Dean King, well, I did what most people do. I went to college, I got my bachelor's degree, and then from there I went to the military, did 6 years in the military, and I just got out about 3 months ago and decided to come here and learn this trade. Why did I choose PDR? I chose PDR because I actually know quite a few people in the insurance business. I have a buddy that owns a roofing company. I know another guy that actually owns his own PDR shop. I know a guy that's a lawyer for law firm. His law firm specializes in insurance cases. And so I knew about the earning potential in pretty much anything that had to do with insurance side, and more specifically in Texas, we get really bad hail. And once I learned about that, I saw the potential, and that's why I'm here. So the first day, you really just learn how to like set up your light, very basic tool overview. And then from there, you start off on a freestanding hood. The hood is great because it's old hood right from a junkyard, so you get to make your mistakes there, so to speak. And then you slowly move to cars after about a week or two. And then you really start working on like crease dents, shallow dents, sharp dents on actual cars. And just from that, you learn different ways you have to position your body, different tools you can use for different panels. And it progresses, it's kind of your learning curve. Some people learn slow, some people learn fast. After I finish this training program, my plan is my friend that owns a PDR shop, I'm gonna go work for him for a year. While I'm doing that, I'm also gonna pursue my MBA. And then the plan is after a year working with him to split off and open up a second shop under his banner, so to speak, in a different part of the state. And I would run that, and he would basically be an equity holder in that company. That's the plan as of now, and then we'll scale from there. I like the school. I'm not a big fan of California, being from Texas, but the school's cool. I mean, you learn a lot. The instructors are nice. That's about all you could ask for. Thank you, Dean King.